Chapter 7.2, we're going to work with cofunction identities and how to use them. So these are all the cofunction identities, and these are for the sines and cosine. Remember on the notation, plus or minus equals plus or minus equals reverse plus or minus. As you already know from class and from the previous videos, if it's plus, then this is plus. If it's minus, then this is minus. For cosine, it's reverse. If it's plus, then it's minus. If it's minus, it's plus. So let's work for secant of x plus pi over 2. Well, what's the relationship between secant and one of these two? Well, secant is the reciprocal of cosine. So this is equal to 1 over cosine of x plus pi over 2. Now, by the identity, what is cosine of x plus pi over 2? This is equal to 1 over negative sine of x. Now, who's the reciprocal of sine? It's cosecant. So this is negative cosecant of x. And that's your answer. Now for our next problem, tangent of x minus pi over 2. Well, what's the relationship? Tangent of x minus pi over 2 is the same thing as sine of x minus pi over 2 over cosine of x minus pi over 2. Well, what is that equal to? Well, we know that sine of x minus pi over 2 is minus cosine of x. And cosine of x minus pi over 2 is positive sine of x. Well, cosine over sine is cotangent. And that will be all. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below or ask me in class. Thank you.